So you're thinking about moving to Seattle, Washington. In this video, we're going to show you around Seattle, Washington. This particular area that we are in right now, it is a suburb of Seattle, which is called Gig Harbor, which is an absolutely beautiful place. I mean, it is surrounded by water. It is absolutely beautiful. We're going to take you through some neighborhoods, show you different price points of different homes so you can see what price might fit your budget. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to share with you the best kept secret of this neighborhood, and I'm getting to it right now. So if this is your first time subscribing to this channel and you want to know every single thing there is to know about living in Seattle, Washington, subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so that you will be the first to know about the current market in Seattle, Washington. Hi, my name is Sheila Duncan. We get calls and emails every single day from people just like you wanting help with making the move to Seattle, Washington, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. All the information is in the description below so that we can help you make the smooth move to Seattle, Washington. We are here in the city of Gig Harbor. As you can see, the homes are very nice. They are very well kept. They have nice lawns. You have plenty of privacy between each home. The guy is mowing the lawn, so I'm trying to talk over him. So I'm going to walk through and I'm going to show you the first house that is listed for $1,200,000. And so just take a walk with me and I'm going to show you this house. It's very nice. It's 3,500 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms. It has 2 living rooms. It has a nice kitchen, beautiful backyard, very well landscaped. And I'm going to just walk by it and you're just going to see it. And it's extremely beautiful. And this is the first house. Again, is going for $1.2 million. As I mentioned, this is the third home that we're going to look at, and I'm in the neighborhood. This is Gig Harbor. It is west of Seattle, Washington. So we're going to we're going to walk through the neighborhoods and show you the different homes. It's very beautiful here. The trees are very green. As you can see, everything is very green. The trees are very mature. This is like a newer neighborhood. So everything is going to look, I guess, more up to date. Much more cleaner. You see everything is well manicured. So we're just going to walk through here, look at the different homes. It's very quiet here, and Gig Harbor is such a beautiful place to live. It's a little bit more affordable than living in Seattle. So now I'm going to take you over to the home that is actually for sale. Now this home here, it is for sale. It is $675. It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and it's 2,642 square feet. This is a really good deal. It's very quiet. As you can see, it's a corner lot, and so that makes it a plus because you don't have anybody living on the other side of you. So now we're here at the third home that we're going to look at today, and this home is located in Gig Harbor, Washington, which is about maybe 45 minutes from Seattle, Washington. It's west of Seattle, so we're in this neighborhood. Beautiful homes here. All of these homes, this is a new community, so all of these homes are brand new. As you can see, the trees are not mature yet, and the shrubbery and all of that, so it needs to grow. So this is a brand new neighborhood. So the home that we're going to see, this home right here, this home here is going for $899,995. It has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It is 4,200 square feet, and it was built this year, 2023. And so it is an absolutely beautiful home. I've been inside, and it's like extremely beautiful.
If you're looking for a forever home, Gig Harbor is the place to look. The homes are beautiful, floor plans are spacious, and don't be fooled by the outside appearance. Inside, beautiful floor plans, amenities, everything. Everything to offer you a forever home.
Right, and she is exactly right. It is absolutely beautiful. And whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so that we can help you make the smooth move to Seattle, Washington. And as always, we hope to see you around.